What's up, guys? Shadjuice here. This video we're gonna do a few pickups. One's off a marketplace. I'm grabbing two things off of there, and then I asked if they had any old video games and stuff, and they had some GameCube stuff. Then another deal is not one I've been working on for a couple weeks. I'm finally gonna go pick it up today. She works night shift and stuff, so it's just been kind of tricky, and so let's see what we go get. Alright guys, here's the stuff I got at the first pickup I did today. The reason I messaged them is because they had these I seen. These are old Dukes of Hazzard Viewmaster with 3 reels in each one. These are brand new. I looked them up and I seen like 2 of them sold for like 80 bucks. There's a few people asking 40 bucks a piece, but I'm gonna lot these 2 together since they're number 1 and number 2. There's the back if you want to look. Pretty cool. I might go low, just try to get like 60 bucks out of them. That's a little rip there. You know, just make some quick money. So that's what we got. And I asked them if they had any video game stuff, and they said they did. Said they had a couple GameCubes, which we got an Indigo one right here. That's the one. That one should clean up nice. I ain't even noticed the cracks down here. Yeah, these are pretty beat up. Like, I ain't even expecting either one of these to work. So, that one's beat up. This one's a little yellowed, and the lid doesn't work very well. The button's getting stuck. So, they definitely need some cleaning, and like I said, not counting on them to work. Then he had some other stuff in his garage. Well, let me show you the rest of the video game stuff here. Actually, I had 4 GameCube controllers. 3 of them seem decent. The silver one needs a new joystick, but still gonna make some money off of them. Just have to test them all. We got 2 indigo purples, 1 black and 1 platinum. These game cases are empty. Just keep them for now. Got a Super Monkey Ball. There's actually 2 discs in it. One was in another case. I don't know why they had 2 copies of it. Well, they had 2 GameCubes, so. Got Chicken Little, that's complete. Shrek 2. Mario Party 5, which they didn't know where that was, but it's got a Crash. Wrath of the Cortex in it. Then we got a good copy of Animal Crossing. It doesn't have the memory card, but the disc is in good shape. Got the manual. That would pay for the lot I paid. I paid 50 bucks for all this, guys. So. And other stuff he had laying around the garage. We got these 2 Justice League, what are they, about 10-inch figures maybe? Got Superman. A couple 1/24 scale die-cast cars. So this is 68 Camaro. Yeah, I got 68 Camaro. Clean that up, might get 15 bucks for it. Same with this one. This is a Jada. It's a 63 Corvette. So, got those. Grabbed this Joe DiMaggio. I didn't know. He had some cards, but not all of it looked like, you know, 90s junk. That ain't worth anything. Got a few little die-cast cars. Got the A-Team. Another General Lee. Them are made by Ertl. This is just a newer thing. A Mystery Machine. But this was pretty cool. Box is beat up. But we got a brand new radio control Fiero GT. This is made by Nyko. I don't think it's ever been used. It doesn't look like it anyways. So, definitely gonna flip that. Couldn't find no comps on it on eBay. We checked Worth Point, and this is what we came up with. One sold 2 years ago for 45, one in 2013 for 50. So it's pretty much however I want to price, and I'm gonna price it kind of high, maybe put offers, because people are into stuff like this, these old RC cars. Not sure what year these are from. But anyways. So yeah, guys, that was a pretty good pickup for 50 bucks in my opinion. Like I said, I'll get my money back on these. You know, I got at least a couple $100 in value here. Paid 50 bucks. So not bad. We're gonna head off to the next one and show you what we get on that. All right, guys, it's time to do that giveaway for the 20 bucks in PayPal cash. Like I said, all you needed to do is comment on the video and be subscribed, and you got a chance to win $20. All you got to do is have a PayPal account, and we're at a YouTube comment picker. We're gonna go over here. This is the video right here. I'm gonna copy the link, and we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna filter duplicate users, and we're gonna get the YouTube comments. There was 129 unique commenters, and we're gonna go over here and hit start. Good luck. The winner is James Long. His comment was, appreciate your knowledge. Well, James, I appreciate you watching. If you see this video, make sure to send me an email. My email will be in the description. And then we'll go from there to confirm that it's you. And congratulations, man. I appreciate the support and you watching. Alright, guys. This is the lot that I picked up for 250 bucks. Wanted 300 at first. I got her down to 200. Like, just don't know if all this stuff works and how the disc condition are. That's why I hate buying like disc based stuff, because you never know how they're gonna be. But I do have a disc resurfacer now, so that's good. It's a real good one too. So let's go into what we got here. We got 3 Nintendo Wii consoles. Don't know if they work or not. Hopefully they do. Got a bunch of Wiimotes. We got 1, 2, 3. Got 4 original Wiis and 2 off-brands by Nyko. Got a Wii wheel. We got 5 Nintendo Wii nunchucks, which I do need actually. Stand. Bunch of Wiimote condoms. PS2 controller. We got a see-through black original PlayStation controller. I don't think I've ever seen a see-through black original PlayStation. I've seen them for the PS2, so that's definitely different. And here's just some more, actually another nunchuck in there, a couple power supplies, some Wii cords, and got a GameCube. These people were smokers, so I gotta try to get the smell out of this stuff. So that's a little yellowed there. Got 2 memory cards, which them are good. Like, you can lot them up together and at least get 20 bucks of 25 bucks for them both. Got a couple OK controllers for GameCube branded. Got a PS2 console and a PS3. Like I said, all this stuff needs to be tested. I'm not sure if it works or not. Then the best part of it is the games, which are in here. I'll show you them in a second. There were some other controllers. They were kind of beat up. It's an Xbox One controller, but it's not Xbox brand. The PS controller, pretty dirty. PS2 might clean up nice. That one ain't too bad too. That one's got a bad joystick. This GameCube controller is ripped right there. That's why I didn't have that out. Off-brand GameCube. One of them U-Draws, which I'll probably pitch that. So that's it for the consoles and everything. Let's get into the games here. Go with the Wii games first. Got Family Feud Decades. I didn't check all the cases. Well, I checked all the good games, of course. M&M's Kart Racing, Wii Music, Skylanders, Wii Play. And Michael Jackson, I actually just sold one last night for $19.95. So they do pretty good on Wii still. There's Mario Kart. Pretty sure that was complete. Yep. That's 25 bucks all day long on eBay. Need for Screen on the Ground too. This is Just Dance 2 and 3. Where's there it is, Mario Party 8. Don't have the cover art, but it's got the manual. So that's a good one. Let's get into the GameCube games. Let's do the PS2. PS2 games when they're great. We've got Pac-Man World 2, Pac-Man World Rally. I probably lot all the Pac-Man stuff up together. Disney Golf, Poker, Jaws Unleashed, Pro Bass, Namco Museum, Crash Nitro Kart. Then let's get into the GameCube games. Got Piglet's Big Movie Game, SpongeBob SquarePants Lights Camera Pants, Mario Baseball, Superstar Baseball. That cover art's trashed. We got Tarzan. We got Pokemon Coliseum, which that was complete. We got SS Tricky, which that sells good now, if you didn't know. 2 copies of Mario Sunshine here. One's got manual, one don't. Mario Golf Toadstool Tour. We got Double Dash complete. Luigi's Mansion. No manual. Mario Strikers, which is pretty high in value now. That's at least $40–50 game. Gas complete. What else we got in here? Sonic's Gems collection. This goes for about 25 bucks at least. Then we got Sonic Mega collection, which that's a good one. So yeah, guys, that's what I got for 250 bucks. A lot of them games are scratched. I need to get the GameCube attachment in my Eco Pro so I can buff some of them out if they need to be. But yeah, guys, this is definitely worth the 250 bucks. Hopefully most of this stuff works. If not, I always go by, I gotta at least get my money back in the games. That's my train of thought, and I should be able to do that pretty easily. I always consider this stuff not working. Like, I don't take it into account that it works, but pretty sure a couple of the Wii's will work and everything else. We'll see. But yeah, that was a great grab for 250 bucks, I think. That's gonna wrap up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. That was 2 good pickups today that were all related from Facebook. So thanks for watching. Peace.